got these carbon fiber wraps for the frunk and trunk of my Tesla Model 3. Car is all white with the black interior. I figured let's do the sticker. Some people like to shave off the emblem and put a solid black emblem on their car. For now, I think the sticker will do for me, just to see how it looks. I bought this off Amazon. Link will be in the description at the bottom, along with my referral code, so you guys can purchase this wrap if you're interested. This is the box that it comes in. It comes with 2 alcohol patches, and it comes with 2 decal wraps for the front and trunk. As we get to the trunk part, we're just going to wipe down it with the alcohol patches that it brings. Sorry that the car is dirty. Never had the time to wash it, and every time I want to, it seems like it's about to rain. So it's pointless for me to just start washing the car, especially when it's going to rain the next day. However, this is what we're going to do, and just want to align it well and wipe down as best as possible and see if we can do this very well. Usually I like to take my microfiber rag and kind of wipe it down after the alcohol patch. Try to get in there. Now mind you, when you're putting on these wraps, it does not completely cover the entire decal logo. So you're still going to see some chrome edges at the top, bottom, the sides. It doesn't fully cover it, but you do see what it does. It just covers the front of it, which is still good. To some people like myself, it's fine. I do like the solid black idea, but this will do for now. Maybe in the future I'll probably shave it off and put on my own emblem and put the more solid black to it. But for now, this will do. Sorry it's a little windy. Trying to keep this with a steady hand. As you can see, I keep sticking it off and putting it back on. So once you apply it, just kind of run your fingers through it. Make sure it sticks well, and then just like that, you just start peeling the plastic right off, and voila. So I hope this video does you some justice. Please thumbs up, subscribe. Thanks for watching.